And lastly, for me, is the use of violence to pass points or to communicate. It cannot be in this day and age that whenever there is a disagreement, whenever you are unable to persuade people to have your viewpoint, then you resort to violence. I dare say it shows the highest level of primitivity. Persuade me, persuade Kenyans to look at things the way you want, and if they don't agree, let them be. But it cannot be that if I don't agree with you as a PS, the only solution you have is to burn my house, or the only solution is to beat me. And it is something that I want to throw back to all of us, that if even in schools we stopped caning children, how dare you beat a grown-up simply because he does not agree with your viewpoint? It's the highest level of primitivity, and we must